Users can interact with 3D graph by wearing the headset and using the Quest 3's touch controllers. With the controllers, users can virtually grab the model and manipulate it to view different angles.
The fourth theme describes the fact that a person can see the wearer's eyes, but cannot be certain about if the wearer is actually looking at them. One participant said, "I feel like there's some comfort in shared experience and knowing that you're seeing the same things as people and reacting to the same things."
From our results, we tried to go through some thematic analysis to find some themes that were common throughout the entire population.
To collect our data, we built a Python scraper in Jupyter Labs referencing an existing scraper as well as Selenium documentation.
A third of our interviewees were not entirely opposed to the use of these tools, but were only comfortable using them in specific situations.
Finally, the chatbot asks if the dog is wearing anything. Let's tell it to give the dog a cool pair of sunglasses. Now we can see a new output image.
Students can express themselves through 3 reactions: hand raised, confused, and confident, each triggering a distinct vibration pattern on the instructor's Apple Watch. Instructors have access to a visual log displaying all reactions sent during that session as well.
Embedded push notification in which users can submit a 1 to 5 star rating alongside any additional comments they may have.
Lastly, we found that experienced programmers have a more clear idea on what they should do. For example, we found that a few added a common outline to the code, asked ChatGPT to generate the corresponding code, and then modified the output to exactly what they wanted.
We further found that participants preferred writing on their own in low-stakes environments, such as writing to a familiar recipient like a friend. On the contrary, participants preferred using ChatGPT in formal settings, such as writing emails to a professor, where the stakes are higher and they need to be taken more seriously.
We recruited 7 computer science educators through social media and direct email. The participants included K-12 teachers, graduate student TAs, professors, and lecturers from public and private institutions.
The system makes one partner pose a question, the other partner respond, uses AI to come up with 2 fake responses that are similar in tone and style but different in context, and makes the question poser guess which one is my partner and which ones are AI.
For facial simulation, we've adopted a Wizard of Oz approach. Using Deep Live Cam, we map the participant's face onto a team member's face.
Leverages Apple's Object Capture API for efficient reconstruction of an object. We implement the zoom out algorithm for match-to-match feature mapping. Our web editor allows the user to view the model with 6 degrees of freedom through a virtual camera.
Some people are worried about the limits of AI's training data, saying large language models are not well learned on mental health data, which could lead an incorrect output and the lack of empathy.